What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new big picture mode on Steam. So first you need to install the Steam application from the Steam's official website, and after that you need to log in or sign up with your Steam account. Now to log in or signing up, on the left side in the Steam application you can see this view tab. Click on this, and then from here you can see the option of big picture mode. Click on this big picture mode and you can enter your big picture mode from here. And the another way to enter the big picture mode is here on the right side. Uh, on the right side of the profile section, you can see this computer-like icon, which will say that enter big picture mode. So you can also enter the big picture mode from here. And when you click on it, you will enter your big picture mode on Steam. As you can see, I have entered the big picture mode, and this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.